And then this is the speed regulator for this. Okay, I'm going to turn on the machine. This is the filler we want to change. So come around this way. This is the steamer that needs to take out. This is the cutter. No, this is the sealer that needs to take out. This is the cutter that needs to take out. These three of them has to be taken out. This plate has a 9 poke. Can we able to increase the poke or not? This is the cooler that all of these lines are put in there, as you will see open. Goes in here. But the question is, if we are not using the steam heat, then do we need to use the cooler or not? Sometime, as I understood, that we need to put this cooler machine to also to keep this overall machine cool. So that needs to be understood. Otherwise, this may not need it. You may not need the cooler. So basically we want to do is fill this with liquid, piston filling, as you can see. Then turn on the key, push the green button, then we'll move, and this is regulate the speed. Go slow, as you can see, go slow. We could increase it to fast. Now our question is, if we could make more holes on this plate. Right now this plate has 9 puck. And in 9 puck in a minute is a very low production. Even if we use 2 people, one on that side, one on this side, can we able to add more puck in there or not? This is something by changing this plate or making additional holes on that plate to be filled up by this. This is something you have to understand that. Alright, that basic operation. What this unit is, that's where you can put in the tightener, the pump tightener. And we're talking about, stop. 10 ml tube, which has about really a little bit less than ½ inches opening. This has to be filled over here, so you have to have a nozzle to go fill in there. Then this could come around, and then this is the steam and the pump can be dropped in top of this, and if some tightener would tie this up, that could be another step, could be helpful. So this machine could convert the 2-step that could be a little bit beneficial. One is to fill this in this area, and one is to put some kind of a tightener. We can drop this thing manually and then to tighten up this. Then we'll put the cap manually as well afterwards. That's a complete project. And the flow of the product is very liquid, so that's just as thin as the water, so that's not a problem. All right, thank you. Let me switch.